Have you ever seen a bird that looks like it belongs in a horror movie? Meet the potu. With its giant googly eyes and wide frog-like mouth, this bird is the master of weird. Potus are experts at camouflage. They perch on tree branches during the day and freeze so perfectly, they look just like a broken stick or a piece of wood. You could walk right past one and never even notice. But at night, it's a different story. Potus come alive, hunting insects with those huge eyes that help them see in the dark. And if you ever hear a spooky, haunting call in the jungle, it might just be a potu singing its ghostly song.